In a world where change is the only constant, how do you stay ahead of the curve? At Fischgrund Consulting, we don't just keep up with change, we drive it. We specialize in co-creating innovative solutions that tackle your unique challenges head-on, turning obstacles into opportunities, and obsess over quickly creating value for our clients. Hi, I'm Justin Fischgrund, and I'm the founder of Fischgrund Consulting. In building my business, I've blended my background in technology and engineering, along with the perspective of being a patent inventor and professor. Throughout my career, I've delivered over $100 million in benefits through process improvement and cutting-edge, technology-driven solutions across diverse industries, including financial, naval, aviation, railroad, retail, and grocery. On the surface, credit cards, naval ships, and toilet paper may not seem to have a lot in common. To me, as someone who digs deep into the systems and experiences that ultimately deliver these products and services, there's a large opportunity to analyze, innovate, and streamline the journey, marrying process and technology. That's where we come in. Companies striving to become more efficient in the way they operate look to us to help deliver value to their business, ultimately delighting their customers. During this AI revolution, every company and executive is asking, how can we use AI? At Fischgrund Consulting, we are asking, what are the biggest pain points our customers and business face? And then we see where AI fits in. We believe in the power of efficient processes and advanced technology to achieve financial excellence and make agile decisions. Our team takes care of both, the process and the tech. If you're looking for a partner who will simply nod along, we might not be the right fit. But if you crave someone who will challenge the status quo and push the boundaries, guided by senior-level expertise on a consistent daily basis, then you found your match. Visit us at fischgrundconsulting.com for more information.